Очень приятно. Министр внутренних дел Андерсон. Министр юстиции Урмас Рейнсен. Я встретился уже министром юстиции.
Да, желаю удачи вашим представителям государственным очень много из нашего города.
Спасибо. Теперь мы делаем официальную картинку. Фотограф. Да. За нами. 3 друзья.
Thank you.
Спасибо. Спасибо.
kurat, ma ei näe midagi teha siin üle.
Урмас Рейнсен, министр юстиции.
Очень приятно, коллега. Делать фотографии вместе. С удовольствием.
Ministers again waiting for you. Oh, that's so nice. My justice minister. See you again.
Nice to see you. My name is Urmas Reinsalu, I'm Minister of Justice.
I'm representing the Ministry of the Interior. My minister.
Lovely.
Thank you. Both of our ministers are very nice. Moldova.
Alexander, Minister of Interior. Very nice to see you. Urmas Reinsalu, Minister of Justice.
Yeah, with Matt. Thank you.
Yeah, lovely. But let's make a picture. Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
Now we can go forward.
Alexander, Minister of State Affairs, is doing it.
Urmas, my name is Urmas Reinsalu, Minister of Justice.
Now, make a photo together.
Hello again. Hello again. Everything same way, only we have now 2 ministers waiting for you. I guess the best.
Very nice to see you. My name is Urmas Reinsalu, Minister of Justice.
Ah.
Now we're making
Yeah.
trio picture. Yes, come here. Individually.
There have been so many pictures already.
Please come and have a thank you. Have a coffee. Yes, thank you.
So nice to see you. We should go somewhere go work together.
Nice to meet you, Minister of Home Affairs.
Very nice to see you. And I'm very eager to come to Georgia, and in the near future I will come.
We have been waiting for you.
Absolutely, I know. Yes, always to transit. Let's make a picture.
Picture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And also thank you very much I already beforehand saying thank you for this strong insight you're going to give tonight also. Thank you for saying it.
See you again, as I said, in a few minutes. Yeah, Michael Villa.
Let's see what Smith does.
Yeah, let's make a picture together again.
So the coffee served that.
Alexander, Minister of Interior.
Very nice to see you. My name is Urmas Reinsalu, Minister of Justice. Very nice to see you.
And let's make a photo of history.
Thank you.
So the coffee served there as well. Nice to see you.
Hello. Hello. Nice to see you.
Please make a picture. And the coffee is served there in the corner.
All we're doing is to take a photo and say hello if you want to.
Nice to see you. Urmas, I'm a minister just upstairs.
And
Please make a picture.
You will make a picture?
Yes, madam.
I will.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. And coffee is served there. Don't forget your bag.
Afternoon.
Hello. Hello. Anders Sandberg, Minister of Interior.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Justice. Hello, nice to see you.
And let's make a picture. Two of us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Same ceremony with the both ministers waiting. Dobar dan.
Hello, Minister of Interior. Welcome back.
Oh,
Position already. Yeah, a lot of
he's here. Yeah. Thank you.
So, coffee served there.
Hello again. Hello again. Waiting for the. Yes, I guess we want to.
I think we have met again somewhere. In the last 48 hours, I see you more than my wife. I love you. I love you.
We were never. To be honest.
Let's make again the picture.
Yes, of course.
You sent it.
Yes, of course.
Yes, please.
Very friendly. And very soon
But you receive money also.
only 150 euros per year.
First,
Yes, the first thing. See you. Hello.
Nice to meet you. All my friends of Minister of Justice.
And please, it's so easy to take some nice picture from the street.
Thank you.
Coffee service.
Thank you.